video, it kind of ended short. We had a problem. The Corsair H100 IV2 just assumed after looking at the 280mm setup that it worked on the AM4. But guess what? It wasn't in there. Oh, Corsair myself, they said they had them in stock and they were shipping them out. I don't know how many they were shipping out per day, but I couldn't wait 3 or 4 weeks. I'm just guessing that's how long it would take. I decided to box it up and ship it back. That's what I told them I was going to do. If they couldn't give me one, I was in the middle of a video. Evga clc closed loop cooler. It's 280mm. I called Evga. They said that it comes with the AM4 bracket if you buy it from them. That companies that have it now, the stock they have won't have it. You can call them, they'll send you one. But after checking on that, people are still having trouble getting the bracket from them. So they confirmed with me, they told me, that this will have the bracket in here. And we are about to find out. Now, before I open this up, heard a lot about it, hasn't been out that long, that this thing has performed very varied in RPM max. The system didn't do so well is when it's ran at 1050 RPMs. The fans just don't like to perform. Now, I don't know if I'm going to keep these fans or run them. I have some Nocto industrial fans. I'm actually going to run the fans on the inside. If I don't like how these fans end up performing, a pretty sealed up case, and I want to make sure I can keep it as cool as possible for as sealed up as the case actually is. We'll see what it goes when it actually gets into this particular system and I run the numbers on this system and see how it goes. But overall, everything I've checked on this is actually a pretty sweet machine. Now this is the 280mm. Oh, and my cable mods shipped from Hong Kong. So hopefully next week I'll have them. They're shipped by DHL. So excited. All right, enough blabbing on. Now, I have seen some pictures, but I haven't actually had one of these open yet. Which is seems to be at a. There we go. Now, what I do like about this, when I get it open, wonder how they got this on here without bending anything up, because it did not want to come off easily. No, it did not. All right. And now this is a simple instruction manual. I guess it gets to the point. You don't need having all those pages. Well, here's a big test before I pull anything else out, before I get disappointed. All right. Well, here are your, whoops. This is for your, so the Evga lights up. USB 2.0. Here are your 4 AMD screws. They're in a bag by themselves. These are your Intels. Intel. They're a different color, like gray. These are black. This is your Intel. And this is not looking good. It's not looking like it. It looks like the AM3. Show you this, and then I'm going to call Evga. I do like this one. I'm not real happy. Well, that's different. Now, if you see, we'll see how this works. The fans are actually designed differently. I don't know what the purpose of that is. We'll see how they actually work in the real world testing. It looks cool. The fans are already mounted. I already did it for you. Now, the tubing is definitely smaller than the H100i. And I don't know if if this is long, which I could run into a problem there. This could run into a real problem here. Now, what I do like is it's simple. The Evga lights up. You can change the different colors. I'm going to do it red. I do like the looks of this. It doesn't look quite as nice as the Corsair with their little branding on the side, but you're really not going to see this. I have a smaller window. I'm not really too, doesn't really matter too much. It just looked a little nicer. It's interesting design here. We're going to see how it performs. I hope that the tubing being smaller is not going to affect the cooling. Fits like a charm. Now I'm going to call Evga, and if I make another video ranting and raving, you're probably going to know why. Thanks for watching, and my next video hopefully is very soon. Getting the cooler in, getting hooked up, and actually getting it running.